I almost skipped a trade that paid me 1 to 3 risk reward. Not because the setup was bad, because I didn't trust myself. And if I'm being honest, I'd been making the same mistakes for years. So I did something different. I let Claude AI decide for me. Something that doesn't panic, doesn't second guess at the last second. And the response I got back wasn't just a yes or no. It broke everything down. My setup, my risk, my execution, even my psychology. Scored, graded, explained. And here's what I didn't expect. The score before the trade, 81. The score after, 94. I'll show you exactly why that gap exists. And more importantly, how you can build this system yourself, step by step, so you can run this on your own trades before you ever touch the market again. But before we go further, do this with me. Open Claude Cowork on one side of your screen. Keep this video running on the other. Because if you just watch this, nothing changes. But if you build this with me, everything changes. Now let me show you how to build it. Start by opening Claude. Once it's open, go to the Cowork section and click on Work in Projects. Then click Create a new project. A folder window will open. Navigate to your Claude Trading folder and select it. Once inside, create a new folder. Name it exactly this, System Control. Open that folder. Create a new text file inside it. Name it system_control.txt. This file is the brain. Everything else in this system talks to this file. Now look, to fill it with the right logic, open ChatGPT in a new tab. Type this prompt. Create a professional system_control.txt for my AI trading coach. Then expand it with details about your trading style, the assets you trade, and the kind of decisions you want the system to make. I've put my exact prompt and the full output inside my WhatsApp channel. Link is in the description. Once ChatGPT generates the output, copy it. Go back to your system_control.txt file and paste it in. Clean up any extra lines at the top or bottom. Keep only the core system logic. That's it. You've just built the brain of your AI trading system. Now let's give it some rules to follow. Go back to your Claude Trading folder. Create a new folder inside it. Name it Trading Rules. Open that folder. Create a new text file named trading_rules.txt. Go back to ChatGPT. Type create a trading_rules.txt file for a disciplined trader. Add detail about your edge, your entry criteria, your exit rules, and what behavior you want the system to flag. Copy the output. Paste it into your file. Remove anything extra. Keep it clean. And now your system knows the rules. Not just the market, but your rules. Visual. Show folder structure, system and trading rules. Let's add one more layer before we get to the trade. Go back to your Claude Trading folder. Create a folder called Goals. Inside it, create goals.txt. Open ChatGPT. Type, create a simple goals.txt file for a trader. Then expand it to include your monthly targets, your maximum daily drawdown, and your trade frequency limit. Copy, paste, clean it up. Now your system knows where you're going, not just what you're doing today. And then, this one changes everything. Create a folder called Session Context. Inside it, create session_context.txt. This is where you tell the system what the market is doing before every session. Trend direction, volatility, overall bias. So it doesn't just analyze the trade, it reads the environment behind it. And now your system isn't just smart, it's situationally aware. Now this is where everything comes together. Your actual trade input. Create a folder called Current Trade. Inside it, create current_trade.txt. This file is the form you fill out every single time you take a trade. Entry, stop loss, target, time frame, reason, emotion, confidence level. It forces you to slow down before you enter. And that simple habit alone, honestly, that alone is worth more than most trading courses. Open ChatGPT. Type, create a clean and minimal current_trade.txt template for a trading system. Expand it with every field that matters. Copy, paste, clean it up, and now every trade you take passes through this file first. One more step, and don't skip this one. Find your trade_log.txt file. Right-click it, select Rename. Change the extension from .txt to .csv. Remove the .txt completely. Replace it with .csv. Press Enter. You'll see a warning. That's normal. Click Yes. If you can't see the file extension, go to the top menu, click View, and enable File Name Extensions. Then rename it again. It's a small change, but it unlocks a completely new way to track everything, one that can be read, sorted, and analyzed automatically. Your system is built. Let's use it. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is the exact setup I was looking at. Price was reacting from a clear resistance zone. Bearish pressure was building. I was seeing signs of rejection. My entry, 114.76. My stop loss, 115.38. My initial target, 113.50. Lower time frame, 1 to 2 minute chart. Quick scalp. Simple idea. Resistance rejection with bearish confirmation. I felt confident. But I felt confident before and been wrong. So instead of trusting just my instinct, I loaded everything into the system. Entry, stop, target, time frame, reason, emotion, confidence level. And then I uploaded a screenshot of the chart so the AI could actually see what I was seeing, and waited. Now here's where the system surprised me. It ran through everything: the risk to reward, the setup structure, the market context, and even my behavior. Was I calm? Was I chasing? Was I making this trade for the right reasons? And then it gave me a score, 81 out of 100. A grade. But it didn't just say take the trade. It pointed out something I had partially overlooked. A demand zone sitting just below my entry, around the 114 level. Buyers had already shown up there once, which meant this trade had real potential. But it needed to be managed. Not closed early. Not ignored. Managed. I'll be real with you. In that moment, I wasn't fully sure. Part of me wanted to either skip it or tighten the stop. But the system had already told me the setup was valid. The rules were satisfied. The structure aligned. So I asked again, directly, should I take this trade or not? And the second response came back clear. Take the trade. All conditions met. Risk to reward solid. Mindset clean. Execution ready. But watch that demand zone below. Stay with me here, because this next part is why I made this video. This is the moment that separates traders who grow from traders who stay stuck. Most traders at this point would either jump in without a plan or overthink themselves out of a valid trade. The system gave me neither panic nor blind confidence. It gave me structured certainty. And that's the part nobody talks about. I'm not showing you theory. This is the system I personally use. This is a real trade, real money, real decision. So right now, let me recap what's on the line. Real entry, real stop loss, real target, a system that gave a clear decision, and a market that doesn't care about any of it. Stay with me here, because this is the part that separates winners from everyone else. I entered the trade. Price began moving exactly as anticipated. Down. Strong, sustained, visual, animate trade movement to target. It hit my initial target at 113.50. And I had a decision to make. Close here, take the planned profit, walk away clean. Or, read what the market was actually doing. The momentum hadn't slowed. There was no sign of a reversal. Imagine you're staring at that chart right now. Price is sitting at your target. Everything in you wants to close. Because a win feels better than a maybe. Most traders close here. The old version of me closes here. The system said, watch the momentum. I watched. I waited. So instead of exiting, I trailed my stop. I let the trade breathe. Can you guess where it ended up? Price continued lower. I exited at 112.82. Not at my plan. Beyond my plan. That decision, recognizing momentum and letting it run, turned this into a 1 to 3.13 trade. The same trade the system told me to manage carefully. Not lucky. Aware. And then I took a full screenshot of the trade. Entry to exit. The entire move. I uploaded it back into the system. Because I wanted a full evaluation, not just of the result, but of how I handled it. And here's what came back. No mistakes. No emotional errors. Discipline. Strong. Execution. Clean. Score. 94 out of 100. A+ trade. Not because I hit a target. Because I managed the entire trade the right way. From the moment I loaded the setup to the moment I hit close. That's controlled execution. And that's what separates random wins from consistent results. So right now, let's think about what we actually have. A real trade. A real result. And a system that recorded every detail of it. I asked the system to log this trade into my journal. Date, pair, result, risk to reward, emotion, performance scores, everything stored. According to the log, I was now 2 trades in for the day. 2 wins, 0 mistakes. Average discipline score, over 92. That's not a coincidence. That's what consistency looks like when it's being tracked. But I went one step further. I asked the system to analyze my behavior, not the trade, my behavior during the trade. And this is where it gets powerful. It confirmed this was a professionally managed trade. From setup to execution to exit, the sequence was clean. But here's the real highlight. My confidence going in was 7 out of 10. I was slightly cautious, and the system flagged that as ideal, not overconfident, not fearful, calm, controlled, and aware. That mental state is what allowed me to trail the stop instead of panic closing. And that single behavior added nearly a full reward unit to the outcome. Visual, show final trade log entry. It also picked up something I hadn't consciously noticed. I might be underestimating my best setups. My subjective confidence, 7 out of 10, was lower than what the objective data showed. A+ setup, A+ execution, 7 out of 10 felt, which means I've been leaving something on the table, not in the trade, in my own belief in the trade, and that's something I can now track. Improve. Fix. Because now I have data, not feelings, not memory, actual data. And I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot. It isn't. Once the files are built, the whole thing takes minutes per trade. Fill out the template, upload the chart, ask the question, get a structured, graded, actionable response, and then log it. Over time, you stop asking, should I take this? Because the pattern becomes obvious. You start trusting the process. This system doesn't just help you trade better. It helps you think better. And that's where real consistency lives. Outro. That trade I mentioned at the start, 1 to 3.13, from a trade I almost didn't take. Now you've seen exactly how it played out. And more than that, now you know exactly how to build the system behind it. This isn't about one trade. It's about becoming the kind of trader who follows a process, who records everything. Now if you want to build this exact system, same to same, without making mistakes, just share this video once. I've put a lot of effort into this. You'll get everything on my WhatsApp channel. Link is in the description, or I'll pin it in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.